In today's tutorial, we will show you how to install Minecraft on any laptop or PC completely free of charge. Now, let's get started without wasting any time. The first thing you need to do is open your browser and search for Minecraft. Click on the first link that comes up that says, "Welcome to Minecraft." The current prices of the paid versions are listed below, but of course we will be explaining the download and installation of the free trial version. On this page, select Minecraft from the Games section on the left and click on the Try for Free button. Scroll down the page and click the Download button. After the download is complete, open the file and start the installation process. After starting the Minecraft installation process, it will automatically proceed and complete. Once the installation is complete, you will need to sign in with a Microsoft account. Once logged in, go to the Microsoft Store and click on Play Demo. Once the game is downloaded, you can start playing Minecraft for free by clicking on the Play Demo World button. Minecraft's entertainment potential is high thanks to its various game modes. You can play for hours without getting bored. It also has a large and active community where you can make new friends and learn about the game. In fact, Minecraft is the world's most popular sandbox game that can be played in single or multiplayer. The word sandbox means that it is a free game world where players can build anything they want by setting their own rules and using their imagination. What can you build in Minecraft? You can use blocks to build houses, castles, even big cities. Your imagination has no limits. Explore a seemingly endless world and encounter different biomes, caves, and structures. You can try to survive by fighting monsters, gathering resources, and cooking. You can create your own items, vehicles, and even mods. You can play on servers with other players, build together, or compete. If you like Minecraft-style games, our channel is for you. You can subscribe to our channel for more information. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask. Feel free to share what you would like to see in the next content, what you find difficult, and any comments you wish. One of our goals is to help you and give you easier ways to find solutions. Would you like to get more specific information about Minecraft? For example, do you want to know about a specific game mode? Do you want to know how to start playing the game? Would you like to know the meaning of some terms in the game? We look forward to your comments. We plan to help you better and create comprehensive content on this topic. If you liked this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video. We plan to release a series of tutorials on our channel that will cover all this and more in detail. We will continue the series with much more beautiful trainings, and we will be with you again very soon.